Some time ago, I made a video on 12 hard truths I wish I knew when I was 20. In the process of mentioning those 12 hard truths, I mentioned the need for people to build in public so that they could have multiple streams of income. And in the process, I mentioned that I had a couple of streams of income, and you all showed interest in knowing what my streams of income were. So I have put a list of all my streams of income together, and I'm going to be sharing with you. Some of them I'll go into details, some I wouldn't go into details. But what is important is that I want to lay emphasis on the importance of building in public, as you can use that opportunity to generate more streams of income for yourself. Are you ready? Let's get into it. So, the first stream of income on my list is social media management. Yes, a lot of you don't know that I manage a social media page online. I manage a couple of social media pages, and this happened because the company loved the way I make my posts. They loved how engaging it was. They loved the way it was very interactive, and they hired me because they wanted me to bring that effect to their pages and help the company page. So yeah, I'm being paid to manage social media pages, at least on LinkedIn and on Facebook. Second on the list is Upwork consultation, and this is broken into two: private and community based. What do I mean? For the community based, I have communities hire me to come talk to their community members about Upwork, share hacks that have helped me, teach them how to optimize their profile, and help them land jobs. Then I also have people who reach out to me privately that I will hold a one-on-one session with them that helps them, build, help them keep them accountable to me on building their profile for a period of time of at least 1 month, where they optimize their profile. I check the way they write their proposals and cover letters, and I hand over everything to them to take up on their own when I've seen significant progress. Third on the list is freelancing. While this one is quite different from the others, this one did not come as a result of building in public. This one comes from using freelancing platforms like Upwork, right? But on the flip side, I get jobs on LinkedIn, and this also is as a result of building in public. But why I do not want to really count this one as building in public is because I get more jobs on Upwork than I do on LinkedIn. And not all clients really want to check me out on other social media platforms before they hire me. Fourth on the list is brand deals. Out of all my streams of income, this is the one that is not a steady source of income. This one comes as a result of me creating content. As you know, I'm a YouTuber and I'm a content creator, and some of them find me when I share snippets of my videos on Twitter, on LinkedIn, and even on Facebook, and they reach out to me to collaborate with me. While I might have taken some projects on with collaborating with other brands, I have rejected some because they do not align with the kind of content I put out on this platform. And sometimes the negotiations are not really aligning with what is beneficial to me. But yeah, brand deals is one of my source of income, but not steady. Number 5 on the list is mentorship. Yes, I offer mentorship to people in AI automation, and I have my bandwidth of the number of people I can take part time because I'm always having people who want to register. So what I do in this case is that when you register for my monthly mentorship as an AI automation person, you must have had the skill already, and you just need guidance, and you need somebody who will be there when you're stuck with automation, who will look at them with you, who will help you figure out issues, who will keep you accountable, who would also guide you in getting jobs and preparing for interviews. So this package also covers preparing you and optimizing your Upwork profile, preparing you for interviews, attending to you when you're stuck with automation problems or client work and all that. And that is for monthly membership. Sixth on the list is a clarity session. So this is usually either an hour or more, but I give my charges per 1 hour. Then you now tell me how many hours of clarity call you want. You're stuck, you need advice, especially on your freelancing journey, your personal branding, your building in public. You just need my opinion on something. That's a 1 hour off deal that I get to give you for attending to you, listening to you, and giving you my counsel. I've had a lot of people book my one off clarity call, and they've gotten value, gotten clarity, and it has helped them in moving on with whatever they were confused on. Next on the list is my YouTube paid community. Yes, I have a YouTube paid community for upcoming or existing YouTubers who are looking to stay accountable and learn the correct way to build on YouTube, where I share lessons I have learned from building my channel this year, 2025, from 100 subscribers to the amounts that you find at this moment. Yes, and it has been very, very impactful and insightful. In fact, many of them felt like, I know of YouTube, I know YouTube, but there's some small things they didn't know that I taught them. We also have video editors and come to teach them and all that. So it's really, really an impactful community. Next on the list is private tutoring. Yes, at the moment, I am not taking private students anymore, but I have existing private students that I take AI automation, where I teach them automation. We meet 3 times a week for a specific period of time, that I teach them about AI automation from the very ground basic to the advanced level. So that is another source of income. And yeah, I charge them per tool. So if you want to learn multiple tools, you just multiply the amount I bill you for one tool and multiply by the number of tools that you want to learn. The last but not the least is community tutoring. Some of you might know me from teaching in different communities. Some of you might know me from Skill Africa. You might know me from Coca Academy, where I tutor students on AI automation tools. So yeah, that is another stream of income for me, where I teach communities on AI automation tools. I am hired by community owners to come and collaborate and teach their community members about AI automation. So I just want to use this opportunity to encourage you that there is money online, there's money on social media, and there's money from building in public and building a personal brand around yourself. I know a couple of people who had no social media presence at all, and after they took my counsel to start building in public, they are not just freelancing alone. They are also holding private classes themselves, and they are also getting gigs from people inviting them to come and teach in their communities too. I don't want to mention names, but yeah, I have people who I take under my wings and talk to them, and they're doing well for themselves, right? So there's importance of building in public. There's importance of building a personal brand around yourself, because from there you are able to spread your tentacles and get additional streams of income as you so desire. And these are things you can do from the comfort of your home. It will just take extra effort and time management to be able to manage all. If you worry about me on how I'm able to manage all of this, don't worry. I have a team of people, one of which is my personal assistant and a video editor. So while I might be showing up here doing all I'm doing, I have a video editor that makes my life easy editing my video, and I pay them. I also have a personal assistant who keeps me in check, does some of the tasks I can usually outsource and all that. So go as far as making plans before this year ends to start building in public for opportunities that abound online, so that you can also tap into making money. There is money online. You'll be so surprised at the amount of money that you can find online and make from it. And this cannot happen if you don't build a personal brand online. So I hope this video has encouraged you to take building online seriously. Don't allow anything stop you. Don't allow fear. If I started this video and I was more concerned about people not liking my videos, whether people would resonate with my content, I wouldn't come this far, right? So you have to start, and by the time you start improving from there. I hope this video inspires you and helps you go back to the drawing board to fix things that needs to help you to earn online, right? So until next time, see you in my next video. Do take care. Mwah.